let's talk specifically about the benefits of proper nutrition before cancer treatment. And here we have a list that you can help us go through and what nutrition will do to help you during your cancer treatment.
So it's going to help you feel better because it's going to prevent and reverse nutrient deficiencies. It's going to keep up your strength and energy, keep up your weight, because it's going to, the most importantly, it's going to preserve lean body mass. It's going to help you, if you stay strong, you're going to be better at tolerating treatment and the side effects. It's going to decrease the risk of infections because your immune system will stay stronger. And it's going to heal, going to help you heal and recover faster.
I want to touch on the keep your weight. I know that one of the major side effects of cancer is weight loss, especially with treatment. Patients are not as hungry. So how important is maintaining that weight?
So it's very important that we maintain that weight. If you think about it, if you stay strong through the treatment, you're going to be able to tolerate, you're going to have less symptoms, less side effects with it. If you start losing weight, you're going to start losing lean body mass, you're going to get weaker, it's going to affect your immune system, and you're not going to be able to tolerate the treatment as much. There may be delays in treatment, or we may not be able to optimize the treatments that we need to.
And protein and calories. When it comes to a cancer patient, is it any different? How does it work?
Well, it all depends. No, it's not. We need to get enough protein in there because protein is going to help them. Remember, when you go through treatment, your body goes through a lot of stress. It's getting all, whether it's chemo, whether it's radiation, whether it's surgery, it's going through a lot of stress. And then we need to make sure we keep you strong. We need the extra protein to help rebuild, regenerate all those cells. And we need the extra calories because you go through a lot of stress and you need that extra boost to keep you strong.